Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I hope that you're all doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today in this video, I'm going to share my long-lasting summer makeup look. As I have mentioned in my last to last video where I have done my summer makeup look without using any foundation, there I have mentioned that I will be coming with some more summer makeup look. So here I am with the part 2 of my summer makeup look. I have applied very bright shade for my lips, and for the eyeshadow I've kept it subtle, not too loud. And for the foundation I have used a base which will actually help my makeup to last for a very long time. So how I have done this kind of look, if you're interested to know, then please keep on watching. I have already moisturized my face quite heavily, and since this will be a long-lasting summer makeup, so for the foundation today I will be picking a matte foundation. And since all of you know that I have a dry skin texture, so moisturization is very important, especially when you are applying a matte foundation, so that your foundation continues to last for a very long time. For the primer, I will be using this Tarte's Silk Canvas Primer. It really helps to minimize your pores very nicely. So here I am concentrating mainly onto the areas where I have this pose issue. So the foundation which I will be using today is from L'Oreal Paris. This is Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 103 Natural Buff. This is a matte foundation, so it's an oil-free foundation, and this is also a very lightweight foundation. Now I normally don't like matte foundation because it really makes my skin look more dry, so I hardly use that. But yes, during summers I actually tend to use some matte foundation, and among all the matte foundation, this one is my favorite foundation. Taking one pump of this. Now with the help of a damp beauty blender, I will be buffing this onto my face. You can also use a brush if you wish. Now if you have not seen the video where I have done my no foundation easy summer makeup look, I'll attach the link in my description box here, so you can go and check it if you're interested. And I think I forgot to mention that today I have already done my eyebrows, so I do not want to waste any time showing you that how I do my eyebrows, because I think I've shown that to you in many other videos of mine. So now after this foundation I will be straight going for the concealer, and for the concealer today I will be using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The shade of this concealer is light neutral. Just will be applying a little amount. I will not be doing any kind of heavy concealing. Then with my same damp beauty blender, I will be blending this very gently. After MAC, this is one of my most favorite all-time concealer. It really gives full coverage and also helps to brighten your under eye. Be blending this with my ring finger. Now in order to lock everything, for the powder I will be using IT Cosmetics Bye Pose Press Powder. Now I will be using the powder only onto the parts where I have applied my concealer. So now the bronzing or the contouring part comes, and for that I will be using today this IT Cosmetics contouring palette. I will be mixing these two shades together, and I will be using this as my bronzer. Now as you can see that I've used this palette so much that I have already hit the pan. that I have already bronzed my face, and you can see that it has given a kind of depth to my makeup. Now I will be going ahead with the blush on, and I will be using this cream blush on from e.l.f. and this is a peachy coral color. It's a beautiful color, absolutely meant for summer. I will be applying this cream blush with the help of my fingertips. So I'll just be taking like this and just will be applying this onto my cheeks. As you can see that this particular blush on gives such a nice flush of color to the cheeks. Now let's go ahead with the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow today I'm using this Makeup Revolution SophX palette, and I will be taking this shade at first. This is a kind of warm beige shade. With a normal fluffy brush I will be taking this shade and I will be applying it mainly onto my crease point. Now with another fluffy brush I will be taking this particular shade, which is of cranberry color. I will be applying this at the end of my eyelid. Now I'll be blending this very well so that my crease color and this particular cranberry color get mixed together. Now for the center of my eyelid I will be using this particular color, a very soft white peachy color. So I will be taking my flat brush, applying this color onto the center of my eyelid. Now for my eyeliner I am using this eyeliner pen from M Cosmetics, and I think I have mentioned this before also. This is one of my absolute favorite. For my lower waterline I am taking this Physicians Formula brown shade. Now here I am curling my lashes, and for the mascara I am using the Tartiest Tarte Black Mascara. For my lower waterline I will be using the same warm beige shade which I have used for my crease. And for my lower lash line I am using this MAC 3D Dimensional Mascara. This is a sample size. Since this is a summer makeup, so I really love to use some bright shades on my lips, and for the lips today I am using Maybelline Fierry Fushia. This is the shade. This is a bright pink. And now at last for the highlighter, I am using this highlighter from Becca. This is in the shade Pearl. I will be using the same highlighter on my brow bone. And finally, the most important step, in order to set all this, I will be using my makeup setting spray, and this is from Milani Make It Last. So that was all in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have liked today's video then please hit on the like button and do consider subscribing. Share this video with your friends and family, and till then all of you take care. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.